now sing back this melody. Again, I'll go first. La, 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 la.
La, 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 la.
Good. Okay. Now, our challenge is for us to hear that even when the left hand is busy playing extra notes. In the left hand, when it comes in, la, 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 is to get those other notes softer. Make sense? Okay, good. Everybody stay standing and let's try this. Now, Erin's sitting down. We're going to help Erin by singing. Now, ready? Let's go from the start, and I'll stop you about halfway through. When you hear the melody, we're all going to sing along together. Okay? Let's go. Ready, set, off we go. Good. Now, but I want you to put it with the left hand. That's our challenge. Okay, ready? Everybody sing with her. Ready, set, go. Da, 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 da. Good, and stop. Now skip to middle turn. The middle part. Yeah, when our left hand melody comes in, and let's see if Erin can bring the left hand melody out while keeping the right hand soft. Okay, ready? Off we go. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Whoa, did you hear it? I thought it was extra loud this time because you were really listening to our melody. How can we help it even further if we get our right hand really, really soft? Okay, so let's just do our right hand by itself. Da, yep. Yeah, very good. Okay, and put it back together one more time. And everybody singing last time. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Good. Okay, and sitting back down again. Yeah, good. So that's our first thing. And the second thing when we switch places, I really just want to focus a little bit on your melody because I was really happy with your dynamics overall. Now, when we get to here, da, 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 da. Which are the shortest notes in the phrase? So everybody who has the score, look at the very first line. Which are the shortest rhythms that you see? Is it crotchet, quaver, minim? Who can put their hands up fastest? Ready, go. You understand? Okay, do you understand the question? So in the first line, we have the little notes in the melody, the shorter notes. What rhythm are the shorter notes? Are they quavers? Are they crotchets? When we have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Olivia. The quavers, exactly.
I should get.
I don't know. Okay, so when we have the quavers, they're our shortest notes, so we want to make them the softest. Okay, so when we have la da, this one's softer. Da 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 da. That we can soften up a little bit on those. Now, let's try it again. Suggestion. Okay, ready, go. La, 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 and softer here, la, la. Good, but even though it's softer here, do we drop too much here? Yeah, we have to make sure we keep this a little bit stronger. Good, okay, let's do this again. La, la, and sing with me. La, 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 and then la, la. Very good. Okay, make sense? Okay. Then the other place I want to have a look at is our very last ending. When we get to the very last bar, let's pop up against, stand on my left. When we get to here, slower lift and then and back. Okay, so it's just a slower release. And then also, perhaps we could use our una corda for the very last bar. Okay, so popping on our left pedal for that last bar. Just go straight on that. And left foot on the left pedal. Okay, and straight on here. And F sharp. And then soft. Good, and okay, this is it. So who made the point about the pedal? Olivia. So when we lift up our hands at the end, I think it's really cool if you lift your foot at the same time as you're lifting your hands. Okay, let's try. And Olivia, come up to help. Okay, so Olivia is going to stand here with me. Okay, when you want her to lift the pedal, we're going to do this with our hands. We're going to slowly lift our hands, okay? So our pedal should be down now. Okay, let's go. Now lifting everything together at the same time. Okay, could she have lifted it a little bit earlier?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it again. Hands down. 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and lifting everything slowly together. Hands are still in the air. See, it just evaporates. Yeah, I think this is really impressive if you lift your hands with the piano. The worst thing that could happen is switch places. Not that you did this, but I have seen this before when a student does this. And that noise, oh! After even a very good performance, if you end it like that, which you didn't, but I'm giving a tip to everybody to avoid that. Okay, thank you, Erin. And our second performer is